Hey folks, and welcome to this video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this very short video I'll show you how to quickly and easily add swim lanes to an activity diagram. Let's start with this simple model. Block B is composed of three other blocks, B1, B2 and B3. Now if I want to describe how those three blocks behave and interact, one way is to use an activity diagram. Let's add a new activity to block B. Now if I didn't have the power pack, I'd manually draw a swim lane frame. Then I'd use a swim lane divider to cut it up into the right number of swim lanes. Then I'd drag a block from the model browser onto the swim lane title to map it. Now by default, Rhapsody doesn't show that. It shows the name of the swim lane. So I'd have to open the display options for each swim lane, and I'd have to set that display format to represent. Let's delete all of that and we'll use the power pack instead. I'll right click the diagram background and I'll select Power Pack, Diagram Tools, Add Swim Lanes to Diagram. And there are all three swim lanes mapped to the child blocks. Much quicker. Let's now see a slightly more complex example by opening one of the sample models that ships with Rhapsody, the distiller. Now the distiller block in this model has a few more composition relationships, and two of them are to the same classifier, valve. Let's now add an activity to it. Now since it already has a state chart, the option to add an activity via the diagram vanishes. So instead, I'll locate that in the browser and then I'll use the Add New menu there to add a new activity diagram. Now we'll use the Power Pack to populate the swim lanes. I'll right click the diagram background, I'll select Power Pack, Diagram Tools, Add Swim Lanes to Diagram. This time the swim lanes are mapped to the parts rather than the classifiers, so we can distinguish between one instance of that valve and another. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of this series, we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.